Yo, what's going on? My name is Miguel, aka Sales Funnel God, and I'm about to be teaching you how to make money online. But first, take a look at this beautiful ass view. I am in, with that focus, I am in beautiful Las Vegas right now, looking over the city, just relaxing a little bit, getting inspired. And I was looking through my DMs, and there was one question that kept popping up over and over and over and over again. So instead of me answering each one of them individually, since it is the same question, I'm going to make a video on it, and so that I can have this as a resource for anyone to be able to use. And hopefully it's valuable to more people at once, if that made any sense. So basically, the main question I'm getting is how to make money online. How do you make money online? How do you earn a living online? How do you start? What is it that I personally do? We're going to get into all of that. I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible so that you can get off of this and at least have a lane that you can go down where you're able to research something that you can start doing for yourself. I understand why everyone wants to make money online. Like, it's tight. You get to live life on your terms, get to live that laptop lifestyle. Everyone's like completely obsessed with this whole digital nomad thing everyone's doing. So it only makes sense that you would want to learn how to make money online. But here's the thing. Here's what's a little frustrating about that question. There are millions of ways to make money online. So whenever people ask me that question, it gets a little frustrating because it makes it seem as though like you haven't taken the time to actually do the research, or you want someone to literally just to be like, hey, do this one thing. This one thing is going to work. If anyone ever tells you, hey, this is the one way to make money online, they're lying to you. Do not fall for that trap. There are millions of ways to make money online. If there's anything that you're going to take from this, take that. And someone may hear that information and be overwhelmed, but if there's millions of ways to make money online, then that means you're able to find something that actually interests you versus you being stuck with something that's boring or monotonous or tedious to you. And you're only doing it because you feel like you can make a lot of money online, and then be able to make like a cool living and be able to tell other people that you make money off of your laptop or your phone. That's bullshit, that's stupid, and that's going to lead to you being sad in the long run. Don't live life like that. Here's how you want to choose what you're going to do to make money online. 2 things. Find out what your personal strengths are, and find out what you're interested in. Those 2 things alone will lead to you seeing massive success in making money online. Now, that's obviously just a framework that you're going to use in order to pick what it is that you're going to be doing. Sorry, I worked out a couple of days ago and my arms are still a little tired, so I'm kind of like figuring out how to prop myself. Should probably get something I can sit this on, but whatever. So those 2 things are going to lead to you being able to make an enormous amount of money online and not be bored while you're doing it, and because you'll actually be interested in what it is that you're doing. So now that I'm done with the esoteric stuff, I will give you some examples of ways to make money online. There's social media marketing agencies. That's gotten popular because of Ty Lopez and shit. He's blown that up, but that's still like a viable option. There's still plenty of people starting social media marketing agencies, going door to door, trying to get people to pay them $1,000 a month or more. I tried to do it. I sucked at it because I hate going door to door. So if I were to go on here and be like, yes, that's the only way you can make money online, go ahead and go sell door to door. That is how you'll do it. You would run off and do it, and you may be like me and you may suck selling door to door, and then I just led you down the worst path possible, and now you think that you can't do it. When in reality, there's other options that may play into your strengths. All right? So that's just one option. There's high ticket phone sales. Basically, you let someone else get leads for some program, some course, something, and then it's your job to hop on the phone and close these people on deals, and then you get a cut of that sale. That's technically making money online, but you're making money through your phone, this thing that I'm recording with right now. There's a lot of different ways. There's e-commerce, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, selling physical products online to people. You can literally run ads for other people. You can optimize other people's ads, meaning make them work better. Some people literally get paid just to make people's ads run better. I've been getting a lot of questions about what I do. I should probably make a video further explaining it, because it can be a little confusing just because there's so many layers to what it is that I do. But what I personally do is I launch courses for influencers. When I say that, it can still be a little confusing if you aren't familiar with the terminology or anything like that. Launching a course is like launching an online class, program, anything like that, where I find someone who's an expert in a subject. I help them package their knowledge into like one online class, and then I help them sell it to their audience. So it's a win-win for everybody. The influencer gets paid, I get a cut of the sales, and their audience is happy because they actually have a coherent, like fully comprehensive package of the stuff that they wanted to know how to do. And it's packaged in a way where I know how to make it so that they're really incentivized to buy it. So all of them actually end up getting the results that they wanted in the first place, because I was able to make it so that this person's knowledge was worthy enough to be bought. Hopefully that makes any sense. It can be a little confusing to explain if you've never heard of it at all. But look up Info Products. Look up Russell Brunson. I would definitely suggest reading his books if you want to dive further into what it is that I do. But I will be making a video on it at some point. I keep burping. I just drank some soda. My bad. If I've already made the video, then it's definitely going to be in the link in the description. But that's basically what it is. I launch courses for people. And that is how I personally make money online. I've tried running ads for local businesses, tried selling door to door. Part of that is selling on the phone. Not good at it. What I am good at doing is sitting behind a computer and typing away, doing copywriting. That's another way to make money online. Doing copywriting, structuring this whole like strategy to sell something online, and then doing that. So I think I'll leave it around there. That's basically how you want to look at this whole thing. You want to realize that there's a bunch of different avenues that you can take. Figure out what it is that your strengths are. Are you an extrovert? Do you get along well with people? Okay, maybe you should try going door to door, selling to people, getting them to buy something. At the end of the day, you're definitely going to have to do some studying. None of this is going to be easy by any means. There's no such thing as easy money. But if you actually put your head down, study, become an expert in one field, and hack away at it for about a year or year and a half to two, then you can potentially see some results. Or at the very least, you'll learn a lot about not only yourself, but also about your skill sets. Because that whole social media marketing agency thing, I tried to do that for a little over a year before I figured out this whole launching products, sales funnel, God stuff. So I was literally failing and going broke for a little over a year before I figured out what it is that I was actually good at. But the thing is, I stuck at that one thing. So pick one thing, stick at it, and then go ahead and find me on Instagram, send me a DM, and then hopefully I can help point you in the right direction or help you do better in what it is that you've got going on. So yeah, man, I guess I'll leave it at that and hope you have an amazing day. If you enjoyed the information, subscribe, like, comment, any questions, anything like that. And until next time, peace.